The grid technique. So, photorealist painting can exist without the photograph. In Chuck Close's case, he used the grid method. In photorealism, change in movement must be frozen in time, which must then be accurately represented by the artist. Photorealists gather the imagery and information with the camera and photograph. Once the photograph is developed, usually on a photographic slide, the artist will systematically transfer the image from the photographic slide onto the canvas. Usually this is done either by projecting the slide onto the canvas or by using traditional grid techniques. The resulting images are often direct copies of the original photograph, but are usually larger than the original photograph or slide. This results in the photorealist style being tight and precise, often with an emphasis on imagery that requires a high level of technical powerness and virtuosity to simulate, such as reflections in specular surfaces. So basically, you take a picture, you lay it out, you form a grid on it, and you focus on each little square and copy it onto your canvas. Focus greatly on detail and lighting. And for the next slide, it's just to recap. Photorealism is the genre of painting based on using cameras and photographs to gather visual information, and then from this, creating a painting or sculpture that appears to be appears to be a photograph or realistic. Photorealism evolved from pop art and is the counter to abstract expressionism. Photorealism was a reactionary movement stemming from the ever-increasing and overwhelming abundance of photographic media. Photorealists were trying to reclaim and exalt the value of the image. And Chuck Close, he's most famously known for using the grid method. His very photorealistic paintings that look exactly like a photograph, except larger than life. And that is photorealism.